My name is Pierre, that's easy. Pierre, and Michoud is the last name. Michoud, yes. And I'm representative for Aaton Digital, customer support, and based in Grenoble, in France, and here in Las Vegas for maybe what do you say? I've been here 20 times maybe, so start to know the place.
For those people that are coming to this Cantar X3 new, could you tell me in 30 seconds or less what differentiates the Cantar X3 from other field recorders on the market?
The sound quality, the ergonomics, the ever evolving firmware, listening, to every inputs from people and trying to put it in the machine and to tailor the machine for every customer, and that's totally feasible with this with the architecture of that machine.
What new firmware has happened in the last year?
We've done quite a lot of modification over the last year, obviously. I mean, we can now control AES-42 digital mic, fully control them. We have EQs for them. We have EQs for analog inputs, but as well as digital inputs. We redesigned the line output configuration. We allow you now to have different line out configuration depending on your main selector position.
Why is that important?
That's important. For example, we had a request whereas if you are in record, you want to send your line at a signal, I mean to the director, but then when you go back to pre-rec or to test, you want to cut his output. You don't want him to hear on the line out. So basically, without having to disarm the line output, you just simply going to test will automatically shut off the.
That's so it just happens automatically. So
just happen automatically.
An actor who's wired.
An actor is wired. It will not go out as soon as you are off record. I mean, off the record position.
Fantastic.
So that's, for example, the kind of modification we've done. We have the Cantarem 2 as well. That's coming up. That's not delivering yet, but that will be delivering in 2 to 3 weeks, 2 weeks.
And what sort of functionality does the Cantarem 2 have?
It pretty much has the same functionality than the previous Cantarem. I mean, which is to take control of your input or your output. You have a solo function on it. Yes, I guess what we've decided to do with this control panel is we're not using the Penny and Giles anymore, but we have the Aaton type faders, magnetic faders that you can remove. It's totally waterproof or dustproof, very easy to clean, and it makes for a very rugged and solid. It's made of aluminum as well. It's very steady, it's very strong. It has also some function button that I actually that they haven't been
Activated yet?
Activated yet, so I can't tell what's going to be on those function buttons. But I think pretty much they will duplicate some of the function button we have on the Cantar.
One request I've gotten from customers is to be able to draw power from both batteries simultaneously. Is that something on the drawing board?
No, that is not. We really stick behind the idea of having a primary battery and a backup battery. But for example, as far as power input is concerned, on the XLR4, now you can set up a voltage level, whereas as soon as you go below that voltage level, you automatically switch to the internal battery, because that wasn't the case at the beginning, and we see that people, are, for example, instead of using a power supply of the main, they would use like an NP1 with an adapter, and the NP1 goes down, but we don't know about it, and we don't switch automatically to the internal battery. So now you can set up your voltage level, and it will automatically switch. That's one of the small improvements. We have something new here that also something that was on the X1, X2, I believe, it's to do solo, to have dual solo for mic 1, mic 2, for example. So basically here now on the new software, it hasn't been released yet. It's something, it's a first year for NAB, but what we're showing is that while being able to solo 2 mics, we also introduce a phase meter. So you can actually control and compare the phase of both mics directly on your Cantar screen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.